Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to make Microsoft Edge better in 2025. We'll boost its speed, improve performance, and fine-tune your privacy settings, all in just a few minutes. Let's start by opening the settings. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your browser window, then select Settings. In the left sidebar, look for System and Performance and click on it. This section controls how Edge runs behind the scenes. Under the System section, turn on Startup Boost. This helps Microsoft Edge launch faster every time you open it, especially useful if your computer runs many startup apps. Next, toggle off Continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. This ensures Edge won't drain system resources when you're not using it. Still in the Performance section, turn on Efficiency mode. This reduces memory use and keeps your browsing fast and smooth. Now, let's clean up cached data to improve both speed and privacy. In the left sidebar, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Then, under Clear Browsing Data, select Choose What to Clear. Check the box for cached images and files, set the time range to all time, and click Clear Now. And that's it. With just a few tweaks, your Microsoft Edge should now start faster, run smoother, and protect your privacy better. Don't forget to repeat this cleanup every few months to keep things running at top speed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Edge experience.